Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Watch, and just a late night impressions. First look of a watch, folks. I've been waiting for this watch for so long. It's none other than the Black Bay 58, the original, with a gilt dial, black, rose gold, the entire watch right here on my wrist. And let me tell you guys, I've been waiting for this watch for a long time. And just to speak to my journey of Tudor, I've been into Tudor for a long time. And in the last couple of months, I picked up some Tudor watches like the Black Bay Chrono and the GMT. But this watch has come from a very different place. This watch is the result of my time in the watch industry, of my time doing research, of understanding what it is, kind of honing my preferences of what it is I liked. And what I liked was what we consider almost like a retro or a kind of an OG version of the old Submariners or Tudor Prince, Tudor Submariner models in this beautiful gilt version. And let's look at that beautiful gilt. Gilt means gold, by the way, for any of you guys who don't know. You can see that means you have gold applique, beautiful gold hands, and you have beautiful gold, rose gold, you can even say. Rose gold on the bezels. But why did I also pick up this watch? Because I picked up the first Tudors in my collection. They were pretty thick. The first one was the Black Bay GMT and then the Black Bay Chrono. And both of those are well over 14 millimeters in terms of thickness. In fact, I want to say the Black Bay GMT is 15 millimeters. It's a thick watch. And so I've always been enamored with this idea of picking up a Black Bay 58. And at under 12 millimeters, I can already feel it, guys. This watch is just perfect for my wrist. You see, it looks good and it's super slim down the barrel as well. Look at that. It is just so good. So good. I don't need to tell you any more about the specs. You know all the specs of this, with an in-house movement, 70 hours of power reserve, and most importantly, you have the full Tudor experience, the Tudor warranty on this watch. And let me tell you guys, for me, this is, I'm just so happy. Just shine up real quick. There we go. I'm so happy to finally have this watch. It is just stunning. It is absolutely stunning. And stay tuned, of course, for my full review of this Black Bay GMT. Oh, did I just accidentally do a Loom shot there? There we go. There's the Loom shot for all of you guys. And it's a beautiful Loom indeed. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. There we go. So hit me up in the comments, guys. What are your thoughts on the Black Bay 58 in this beautiful original gilt dial version with the black dial? Hit me in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Watch, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. And this is where I leave you by saying, Frankie Watch says, time's up. Oh yeah. So gorgeous, guys. I am so happy I pulled the trigger on this one. Oh my God. So good.